Whenever we buy something online or offline, it comes in some packaging. And this packaging can be of many types, like bags, boxes, bottles, etc. So today I am sharing some ideas on how you can reuse them to organize your home and kitchen for free or with just no cost. These rice or flour packets can be very useful for us, either the cloth or the plastic ones. We can use them in our kitchen as a shelf liner in the cupboards. Here you can see that I have kept these storage baskets made up of polyester material which can be worn out if we pull it and drag it like this. So I am placing this rice packet at the bottom of this basket to prevent it from damaging when we pull it out. When we order some groceries or some other home and kitchenware items online, we usually get them in this cardboard packaging. There are many ways you can reuse them. Here in this space, I lack one storage basket, so I am using this carton as a basket to keep groceries. Now I can pull it out as easily as any basket as this is quite sturdy and take out what I need. This seasoning sachet comes with two-sided sifter caps. One side with standard shaker holes and the other with a wide opening to pour. We can reuse it to keep salt, pepper and personal care. I found it quite useful for pouring baking soda into it. And now I can easily sprinkle and spread the desired amount of it from both sides. No need for any spoon now, just open it with these sifter caps and shake it as per the need. We can reuse the chocolate boxes to keep small items that get missed very quickly, like rubber bands, hair clips, etc. We don't need to buy them separately if we already have such boxes or containers. However, I would also like to mention that don't keep collecting these items unnecessarily to create a clutter. So use them when you really need them, otherwise, throw them away. These cute little dividers from the tea box are very helpful to organize tiny items. I am using it here to keep rubber bands and this small grater so that they don't fall inside the drawer. This transparent acrylic cup I got from a pastry shop and decided to keep rubber bands in it. Sometimes we don't need any special organizers to keep little things, but we just need to segregate them. So then we can take advantage of these tiny items that come complimentary. Now this whole area is looking tidy. Sometimes we find the packaging quite charming and sturdy, like this small picture or card which I got from the packet of a peeler. I was about to throw it, but when I saw this empty wall, I decided to hang it here. So sometimes we can reuse these items for decoration purpose also. Such outer packaging of fruits like grapes, strawberries can also be repurposed in many ways. Instead of throwing these items, we can repurpose them and can help our environment a little. I am using this transparent fruit box to keep my artificial jewelry. These ideas come in really handy for those who live on rent. I find these glass bottles and jars the most luxurious complementary items. Hence, I never discard them and reuse them to keep several things. I prepared tea masala today and filled it in this pretty candy jar.
I realized nothing has been more cruel but your playful heart.
Similarly, we can reuse some other bottles also, like coffee bottles, jams, pickles jars, etc., to fill grocery items instead of just letting them remain lying in the packets. This way, it becomes easier to access and see these items.
Over my head, your playful heart is not to be played with. It's all that they say, and then some more falling head over heels.
These days, plastic bags are banned in so many places. So, we all are using the cloth or jute bags at the billing counter to pick up our stuff. However, in the supermarkets, we have to put all the fruits and vegetables in these small plastic bags only. We use separate bags for each item since they have to be labeled with the quantity and price barcodes at the time of billing.
Over my head, my playful heart is not to be played with.
So, I used to collect all these bags in my kitchen.
이 장 속에 나의 맘속에 I wouldn't change anything 이대로 시간을 돌린대도 지금
I reuse them to collect the peels of fruits and vegetables while prepping the food and other scraps also, and then I throw them in the garbage bin to prevent the leakage of any water from the wastage inside the bin. So we have to look out for different ways how we can reuse or repurpose them. Look at these beautifully printed handbags that I got from a candy and popcorn shop. They are very helpful in carrying things with us or bringing something from the market. Today it's a sandwich making day at my daughter's school, so I'm using this pretty bag to carry all the food ingredients like mayonnaise, chocolate spread, fruits, vegetables, etc. to the school. I hope you found this video helpful and got some ideas to repurpose the old items. I will be sharing many such ideas in my upcoming videos. Please like this video and subscribe to Abode Diaries. Bye.